my whole idea was that in an ad you would get to act for only 30 seconds and show people what you've got. Here you would get to act for at least 3 minutes, so at least people can see, and you can send the link to people and say, "Okay, this is what I've acted in. So please, can you see it?" So that's the
And
way.
from 3 minutes, he's gone to 6 bloody episodes. Oh my God.
So I remember I got cast in a TV serial as a police officer, as a CBI agent, and that's exactly my mother. Mother's a CBI officer. So it was really funny because my mother would like sit and laugh at me every day, and she'd be like, "ऐसे करते क्या investigation? ऐसे करते क्या investigation?" So I used to be like, "Hey, Papa,
Real ragged at
quite
home only. Anna's too. I'm giving a grace mark.
I scare my agents."
Grace marks I'm giving Hannah. Okay.
Monica Bellucci. And this
I'm
bloody
wondering
Gabriel. I'm also wondering who's going to be our Monica Bellucci.
Hi, my name is Ahana Kumra.
Hi, my name is Ayush Mehra.
Hi, my name is Soni Razdan.
Hi, my name is Rajat Kapoor और आप देख रहे हैं
और बताओ.
और बताओ.
और बताओ
with Stuti.
Welcome to Or Batao, of course. Call My Agent Bollywood. I'll have to tell you, I am a huge fan of the French original. और जब मैं वो देख रही थी, मैं actually सोची थी कि हम अगर कभी ऐसा बनाए तो क्या करेंगे, क्या होगा. I want to ask this question: have you guys seen the original? And if you did you love it? Are you playing the characters that you personally loved? What was it?
No, I want you to play Ahana's character, but they didn't give me.
No,
I
wait,
knew it. I
if
knew it.
If you had seen that show, you're very happy with your role.
I'm very happy with the role. I'm very happy. I think it's a great character. And I know, sorry, I'm just taking over without asking anybody's permission.
No, please.
No, please.
But I think casting for this one has been spot on. Spot on. I mean, you look at Ayush and Gabriel and say, oh my God, they're brothers or what? Ahana is perfect for this role, and so is Soni.
Yeah.
It's really, really spot on. Not only these four, but the girl who plays the daughter. Everyone is perfectly cast. So yeah, and then for me, I'm a big fan of that show. Yeah, I'll let others talk.
Yes. So guys, please come in. That's how all these Zoom interviews are. Ahana, you want to come in, Abhi?
When I had auditioned for it, the first audition that I did, it was during another shoot, and I didn't take the audition too seriously because I was like, I have to just finish this audition and just send it, because really, all the time to pata nahi cheezein hoti hai ki nahi hoti hai, you don't even know that, So I was like, I don't know whether this is going to work, but then let's just quickly finish this audition and send. And I remember Karan calling me, Karan Mali, he was casting this with Nandini, and I got a call from Karan, and he's like, "Have you watched the original?" I'm like, "What?" I'm like, "There's a show." He's like, "Yeah, it's a very interesting and a very big French series. Watch it." And I was like, "Where is it?" He's like, "It's on Netflix." And I was like, "Oh, okay." And I remember going back from shoot and watching the first episode, and I was hooked. I was like, "What? Are you serious? They've really made a show like this?" And more interestingly, I think more than the main stars in the show, I got hooked on to the four characters.
I know. Yeah.
Whether it was Matthias or whether it was Andrea, Gabrielle, or whether it was Alan. And I was just like, what are these characters? Like, oh my God. And they were like, is that what happens in an agency? I mean, of course, we know what happens, but I've never really worked in an agency. So I don't know what craziness happens behind the scenes and what sort of hustling happens. But it was just really true to life. I was like, wow, ye to India mein bhi hota hai. अरे ये तो इंडिया में भी होता है. And I was like, ये क्या फ्रेंच सीरीज बन रही है, ये सब तो इंडियन प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, so although I realized that the problems are the same across the board, but I think the casting was spot on, really, as Rajat has said. I don't think I would have imagined anybody else play. It was really it was like a glove in hand sort of a situation for this kind of a casting. Yeah,
the universality of that show is, I think, what makes it so special. Soni Razdan, aap bataiye. Did you watch the show?
No. I'm sort of casting my mind back to 1 year ago and exactly how things transpired then. And I actually remember telling my agent that, what's really, I love I had already started watching it, and then this offer came. And I said, it sounds really interesting, but for me, what's really going to make it work is I want to know who are the other agents, because that's going to be key. I mean, I don't want to, that was so important. I realized how important it was. And that was what I think when I found out who everybody was, the first person I called up was Ahana. I was so excited. I said, listen, tell me you're doing this show. You've got to do this show. Don't say no, don't do this, don't do that. I mean, give her a long lecture. I said, you better do it because Ahana and I had worked in something earlier and we really have great, we really get on really well. And I said, I didn't know Ayush, of course, Rajat, I know very well. And now I didn't know you very well in those days, no? And but of course, what a wonderful actor. Everybody's great. So I was really happy when I finally, heard the final cast because that really did it for me. More than the other things, strangely enough. So,
Ayush, over to you now.
I am a huge fan of the show. I remember while I think film like shooting promotions or something like that, season 4 had come out and I already watched it and I was waiting for everyone to just be like, hey, have you seen it? Have you seen it? And I keep messaging them the minute it's out. We keep sharing articles about the show to each other that, the season 5 is being made, a film is being made. So we genuinely, 4 of us are huge fans of the show.
Have you seen season 2, Stuti?
No.
There's an episode in season 2 where Gabriel gets along with Monica Bellucci.
Third, season 3. That's season 3.
Monica Bellucci. And this
I'm
Gabriel. I'm also wondering who's going to be our Monica Bellucci.
So this is the only topic on set. This is the only topic on set. Who's going to be a Monica Bellucci in season 1? We have to reach season 3 first, guys. No, who is going to be a Monica Bellucci?
No wonder he wanted to play this role.
Exactly.
Okay,
That's the only reason he said yes.
Okay, man.
Actually, you guys are of course going to be very honest with me. Show का नाम है और बताओ और हम जो बोलते हैं सच बोलते हैं. पहले तो एक सवाल आप सबसे. You all have agents. Tell me how much would your agents rank you on a scale of 0 to a scale of 0 to 10 on how easy you are to work with. कितने नखरे हैं, कितने नहीं है, ये बताइए सच्ची.
They dare not rank us less than 10. Have to be 11.
Yeah, I think I would be at least a 9.5.
Wow, अच्छा.
I think I'd be 11 on 10.
I think Ahana would be 2.
I'm so.
Stuti, you're aware of a word, delusion?
Yeah.
I said I'm the real one who's going to be like, I'm a dream actor to be working with.
Ahana's 2. Huh? I'm not giving
But
a grace mark.
I scare my agents.
Grace marks I'm giving Ahana, okay?
Sir, we are confident. I think, Rajat, I'll let, since you don't have an agent, I'll let you come in and tell me exactly how much you think their agents are going to rank them.
Yeah, Rajat will actually be the right person.
Let's start with Ahana first.
Acha.
So the benchmark is set.
Come on, Rajat. You have to give me the highest marks. वरना मैं वापस पिटाई कर दूंगी.
I have to give others marks.
Yeah, come on.
Out
How
of 10.
easy do you think we are?
But what are we judging people on?
How easy,
Easy, nice, kind,
warm,
accommodating.
I have to be
warm,
truthful
polite,
about it.
accommodating, punctual. Yeah, all those things.
Punctual and also okay.
Punctual to everybody is.
Full marks.
But I have to be
Okay,
really
starting
truthful.
with Ahana.
Suti, why?
Ahana 5, Sony 6.5, Ayush 8.
Yeah! What a winner!
Oh my god! Rajat, we have to do season 2.
See, this is what
I
she
think
does
you're
with the
getting
agent
beaten
also.
by Amal in a lot of scenes.
I think
This is
he's
what she does with the
confusing-
agent also.
I think he's confusing his character with us. I mean,
Sony 7.5 is 7.5 is good, Sony.
huh?
You gave
You
me
said
a
6.5.
Okay.
5! Rajat, you
Stuti,
gave me a
what have you
5!
got?
I
He
mean,
gave you 5. I gave you 2.
Okay.
You got 4.
Okay. We're done with this
like a
here.
boyfriend or my agent.
but you have your chance now. You can give me marks.
Yeah, whatever. You
Rajat
are
sir,
you are a
Rajat
10.
sir,
I don't even
Rajat
think
sir
like
is
I would like to. Except
11.
it's really difficult to convince you to get a phone or like get you like okay Rajat like
Stuti,
can
I
we watch
know
bad
that?
you.
idea,
You
Stuti.
still haven't got a phone, na, Rajat?
Oh, no, he still
No,
doesn't
no,
have a
no.
phone. We still talk to him.
And
on-
he has
Basis you get a 3.
But we have Zoom,
What are you doing?
guys. The world has changed. You don't need a phone anymore. We have Zoom, right?
Oh, and now you
That's true.
Unbelievable. Okay, one of the best things about the show, of course, is apart from the characters and the chemistry that they share, is that you get these insights into the industry, the actors. Because bahar se lagta hai they have it all, they have it together. But then, slowly the insecurity, the issues. So just talk us through some of that because you guys are, of course, actors playing these agents. Ahana, for a young girl who doesn't necessarily have a backing from inside the industry, kitna difficult hota hai to land the roles that you want?
very I don't know how that even happens because honestly like I still don't know how films happen because I do very few films. I've done very few films. I don't even sometimes come to know when films are being cast. I really don't know what the process is like. Sometimes I don't even know like they are casting for a film till the film has been announced and I'm just like, oh, when did this get cast? When I entered the film industry at that time there was no OTT. There was only films and then there was television, and I was not getting a film also because in films they wanted me to play heroine ki behan or heroine ki friend, and I was like, I don't want to play those parts and it's really okay for me to say no, and I steered away from that for a very long time. And then later on in television I was not fitting as a quintessential Bahu Rani because they were like ye thodi na sunne wali apni saas ki, so I didn't even fit there. So I was like ab main kya karu, mujhe na filmein mil rahi hai na TV mil raha hai, so what do I do? So I remember I got cast in a TV serial as a police officer, as a CBI agent, and that's exactly my mother. My mother is a CBI officer, so it was really funny because my mother would like sit and laugh at me every day and she'd be like, aise karte kya investigation, aise karte kya investigation. So I used to be like, hey, Bhagwan,
real ragged
not
at home
respite
only.
So I was like, I have no respite. So what do I do? So I'm not fitting anywhere. But thankfully, when this transition happened, and I think I was also one of the first few people to transition into a web show because I remember Chutya Giri was my first web show, and that time I didn't know only ye YouTube kya hota hai and YouTube pe shows kaise bante hain. And we all huddled and we made Chutya Giri together. All of us, like me, Anand Tiwari, Sunny Kaushal, Mithila, Shikha, all of us used to sit huddled, Gopal Dutt, all of us used to sit huddled in one cubicle, and then it used to be like, तुम्हारा shot आ गया है. और हम लोग बैठ के गप्पे मार रहे हैं, like, we're behaving like proper theatre walas, sitting and chilling and having chai and, having fun, and then suddenly, like, going for a shot. So I have seen really both the worlds, and I can say very safely that if you know your craft, and that's why it's very important for men, women, both, to really know your craft, to be able to get work. Otherwise it would be very difficult to be able to even prove yourself. It can take years and years, especially for women. I think like you have to like look quintessentially hot or pretty or those kind of things. Thankfully in my case I've always had to look like characters, and I've really managed to play my career successfully there.
I have a segue to get in Ayush here because Ahana was talking about कि मुझे YouTube वगैरह पता नहीं था. आप तो मतलब उस वजह से सबको पता है. That has helped you so much. So, tell me what insights are you willing to share about landing your dream role?
I used to be doing a lot of ads initially, and I started at a time where I was an AD. And then I did ads, and the only source was to either get into television or films. Web was not existing at that point of time as well. So I kept doing ads in the hope of I'll get films, I'll try. But suddenly YouTube started coming, like channels like Filter Copy and TVF and All Right, these channels started coming up. And they started calling you for sketches, and my whole idea was that in an ad you would get to act for only 30 seconds and show people what you've got. Here you would get to act for at least 3 minutes, so at least people can see, and you can send the link to people and say, "Okay, this is what I've acted in. So please, can you see it?" So that's the
And
way.
from 3 minutes, he's gone to 6 bloody episodes. Oh my God.
Ayush Mehra.
As an actor, you obviously want to do big projects. You want to get onto the OTTs. You want to do films. And luckily, I auditioned for Call My Agent, and this is like my first OTT. It's my debut with the best people in the business, right in front of
And
me.
it all worked out. It all worked out because he looks like Gabriel. That's it.
Oh.
That's it.
Photocopy.
That's all it took.
I swear, the day I went for my trials, I was like, "ये क्या photocopy उठा के लाए क्या उसकी?"
I do not look like Gabriel. How are you even saying that?
You made her look like him.
अच्छा, Rajan, bringing you in here, लोग social media की बात करते हैं. These days, actors are supposed to be out there. You're somebody who doesn't even like carrying a phone. आपका talent किसी से छुपा नहीं है, but how do you honestly manage? Like, do you feel like you're born in a wrong century? Or people around you feel कि ये क्या हो रहा है? How do you manage this?
Oh, I really don't know what the fuss is about. I'm on email and I check my mail. Was a joke, guys. I'm serious, and it's quite easy, and I'm very good with email, and I'm very prompt on it. All work gets done through that, and I think I'm the man of future. I think after 20 years, people will stop keeping a phone because it's such a nuisance. I just started it early. That's all.
I agree with
Actors have 2-3 phones. I don't know.
But it's a
know about
nuisance,
you,
and it's an addiction.
Okay.
He would on set. He would be on our phone,
Rubbish.
That's good to
Get
know.
out of here.
and he's like, "Hey, what are you checking on Instagram show?" And he's checking my Instagram.
He was only checking your Instagram,
Well.
Ayush, because you are always on Instagram.
Oh, rubbish.
It's just like you don't need to wear a watch to find out what time it is, because everybody else around you has a watch. So
I thought you would say something like, "You can just look at the sun."
that too.
Something like
That's a good one.
Studio, so he can't see the sun.
So, Aniji, you're of course working. You're doing some great roles, and you're also the mother of someone who is one of the top actresses of the country. Abhi ke liye for young kids, and just seeing how things have changed, how organized this whole thing has become. What do you think are the biggest challenges still for actors?
Well, I think, with every plus, there always comes a minus. And I think today the pressures are immense. When I started out, we didn't have agents, we didn't have casting, we didn't have so many things. So we were, in that sense, we were handicapped. But I feel people today, as Rajat says, you're spending so much time doing all this other stuff. All these peripheral things are now taking up most of your time. The rest of the time is spent in actually doing your job. So I think the amount of distraction you have today, just in terms of what's out there, what you're supposed to do to keep in the race, in the game, keep your followers XYZ amount, all that's really, really, it can be a plus, but it can also be a huge minus. And I think you're spending a lot of time doing that rather than actually doing your job. So I think focus is a big problem today. I think one of the challenges we face today, all of us, not just my daughter, me too. I mean, I'm all over the place, here, there, and then I'm finding that I'm not focusing at all on any one thing. So that is now becoming what people are doing, mindfulness, and putting the phone away and doing all those things, because it is becoming a problem. It's becoming an issue, and you're actually. So that's one. The second thing is, I think, just the pressures that we never had that much when we were starting out. There are a huge amount of pressure to look a certain way, to to sort of be a certain persona, to and all those things. I mean, which I think are again part of the game today, but also we can really do without it. So
Also, to be in the public eye all the time.
It's exhausting. It's really exhausting.
It's exhausting.
And
I
it's
can
telling
imagine.
on everybody's mental health as well. People are suffering not because they're mentally ill, but because of all these things. They are becoming, their minds are not able to cope. And that is causing its own set of problems, which I don't think we're even aware what they are yet. We are calling it all kinds of names, but we don't even know what the causes are. And I really do suspect that this is one of the causes. We're spreading ourselves too thin. We're not able to disengage from anything. If I go in a car today, I'm not looking out of the window. I'm looking at my phone because I have to answer 20 emails or delete 55 emails which have come, which are useless emails, or answer some calls, or, so there's never a moment now when you just get out of it. Yeah. So it's becoming a problem, and I genuinely believe that it's just going to get worse until it becomes better. Until we learn how to handle it, what we really do need, what we really don't need. For example, just simple things like promotions. At one time when we were promoting something, we were traveling all around the country, taking flights, going here, going there. Now we've realized we can equally promote by sitting here and talking to you on a Zoom chat, and so things do evolve, do change, and perhaps we'll come to it. But yeah, I think there are huge challenges today.
Super. We've completely run out of time. So thank you so much, guys. Looking forward to the show. I've seen a couple of episodes, but obviously looking forward to more.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.